Boys and girls of TV land, this is the 1996 Dodge Ram Sport.
Oh, Hercules, 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 Hercules.
In four-wheel drive platform. This was a unit back in the day. This was a 318 automatic, four-wheel drive sport package. They stickered for about $21,000. My cousin just picked her up. We're gonna try to make it a little bit nicer. And if you know second gen Dodges, she come with the dash delete package. There's a one owner truck.
Yeah, one crazy ass one. Oh.
We had a bunch of these when they were new. Let's see if we can make it nicer. First thing we need to get back to the shop though. We're having all kind of issues.
How dare you?
Second gen Dodge.
This is all wrong.
I'm scared. I don't know what was that.
That's the silencer. That's the grenade launcher.
You gotta keep the RPMs up or the oil light comes on. So watch when I let it idle.
Oh no.
Oh, we're not running, bro.
Oh no.
Oh shoot. Come on, Dodge. You ain't got far to go. Should we take the dirt road?
I don't know.
No?
I don't know.
I'm gonna do the gear down the second tree. Maybe it won't go down. The brakes are like non-existent.
Oh, this is
Oh,
fast.
boy, hold on.
Oh, this is fast.
Oh, coming in hot. Whew.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
Scary. Why'd it go dead? And why is it popping?
That's the grenade launcher.
Oh no.
We got her back. I'm gonna take it to the house. Let's see if we can get her to the house. True to the Dodge nature, boy, she fires up. Dead miss. The door is held on with a bungee cord. So if you take a hard right, oil pressure's jumping, but I really think it might be a, look at this. I have no idea. Woo! Close the door! You gotta nail it shut! You have to nail it shut! There's no brakes. Well, one brake. Yeah, it's a several dead misses. Pops like crazy.
Pop, go to Ouija, cause the Ouija say pop.
But again, she's a one owner. Yeah, the oil pressure gauge. I think that gauge is bad. I don't think it's an oil pressure issue because I don't have any strange noises coming from the motor. Okay, we're gonna miss that driveway. We'll try another driveway. She made it back.
Barely.
Let's get to work on it.